Here's another great RV from Dodd RV of Eastern Virginia.
Hi guys, I'm Raina, and I'm going to take you through a Rockwood Ultra Lite, model 2614BS. Let's take a look.
This is just one of the many new and used RVs and boats available for you at Dodd RV. This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below the screen. But the best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop by today to see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations of every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next. So it's important to contact anybody at Dodd RV for actual details about this floor plan. We'd love to help you find just the right RV. While watching this video, take note of the innovative ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and practicality. But there are many features not shown, and we also do not have time to show all of them in this short video. You really must come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all that this Dodd RV has to offer. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to see the latest in RVing. Be sure to subscribe as we add new inventory on a regular basis. Dodd RV is an authorized dealer for many of the top brands. Dodd RV's reputation spans more than 50 years and has been built on one thing: trust. Check us out on the web at doddrv.com or stop by any one of our dealerships in Eastern Virginia.